Hey guys, it's Lauren, and today I'm going to share with you how I edit my pictures on my phone. I actually do edit them on the computer on Lightroom as well, but you guys always ask me my process on the phone and how I plan them, so let me know if you want to see another video on how I edit them on Lightroom. But right now I'm going to share with you how I edit them on my phone. I'm actually going to screen record it so you can take the steps with me and see exactly what I do. So let's get into it. And if you're wondering why I'm sitting on the floor, it's because Kais isn't here to film me, and I'm really bad at using the camera, and I can't focus it. And I hope this is focused. So we'll find out. But anyways, let's jump right into how I edit. First things first, I go to VSCO, and then I find my image. And I'm just gonna use whatever image is already edited, like I said, on Lightroom. And on VSCO, basically, I have one of this in here. Let me just delete that. On VSCO, I just change the temperature, the contrast, and one more thing, what is it? Temperature, the contrast, and the exposure sometimes. I have kind of the recipe ready, so I literally just copy and paste it. I don't use an actual filter on VSCO, but they have a lot of great filters, especially if you don't already edit your pictures on Lightroom, then you can definitely use a VSCO filter. So I just pasted this, and now I'm gonna save to my camera roll, and I literally have all my stuff after this. Super fast, super easy, so I go to Mextures. And what I love about Mextures is that you have all these really cool textures you can put on your picture. I like to go for like a vintage vibe. So I'm gonna put the 120mm, it's my fave. And then I'm gonna sharpen the picture since it's good on Instagram. And then I'm gonna go over to fade. I like a little bit of fade, and then I like a little bit of contrast, or like less contrast, I guess. So I dial down the contrast, and then sometimes I will do a little less saturation as well, and sometimes I will play with the exposure, but I think this is fine, so I'm just gonna save it, and voila, my editing's done. And I used to use Planoly as my Instagram planner, but I kind of like a color story. It's free, it's just as good. You don't get the stats from Planoly, so if you're looking to have stats, go to Planoly for sure. But if you're just looking for a free app that does the job, a color story, and it's also an editing app, so it's a two-in-one. So after that, I just, put my picture wherever I want it to be. I'm not actually going to use this picture, but just to show you guys, it's great because you can see what your grid's going to look like. You can plan out for a week. I like to kind of do a week ahead just to see, get a feel, and yeah, that's it. That is my editing process. It's super fast, super simple, super easy, and let me know if you guys want to see how I edit my picture on Lightroom. Bye guys.